Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Verify router OS version and export a backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, assemble your custom HTML, CSS, and image files on your computer and keep names short and ASCII only. Make sure FTP or Winbox access is enabled and you know the Hotspot interface IP. Then open Winbox, navigate to IP right arrow Hotspot, select the server, and choose the Files tab to upload your prepared files to the router's file list. Now you replace the default pages, upload your login, HTML and assets to the router files area, and rename the original files if you want a quick rollback. Next, in IP right arrow Hotspot right arrow servers, edit the Hotspot profile to point to your new login. HTML by configuring the HTML directory and login file fields. Make sure paths referenced in CSS and images match exactly. After saving, clear browser cache and, on the router, remove any cached Hotspot entries. To finish, test the new page from different devices and use a private browser window to avoid cached content interfering. You should see the custom login immediately. If it fails, verify Hotspot NAT/redirect rules and that DNS redirects to the Hotspot IP. Make sure files are readable and paths correct. Permissions or typos are common culprits. For deeper troubleshooting, enable system logging for Hotspot and run the packet sniffer on the Hotspot interface to observe HTTP requests and find where the chain breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.